Good afternoon, everybody. So I'm Amit Dubey, and I'm here to present our social movement called Fight Back. So before I start speaking on this, actually this movement was started after the recent crime incident on women in Delhi NCR region and other part of India. So what I thought actually normally we think that all such crime incidents or all such activities, they happen with some special people or someone. And our near and dear ones are quite safe, and we never think that it could happen to them also. So taking that reference, I just started a quiz, unofficial quiz. And I keep on asking this question from my friends, ladies, or my friends' wives or sisters, everyone, that did you also face such kind of situations in your daily life when you are traveling through a public transport vehicle or if you are going to a market or something? And the results were really surprising. Almost 90% of them have faced such situations. So it was really a shocking thing for me that we are not aware about this, especially the male colleagues of such kind of in such situations. So though I am the first male participants here because I was listening all the women here, and fortunately I'm the one who is talking on women empowerment here.
And unfortunately, you've just got 2 more minutes.
Okay, thank you. I don't have enough things to showcase, so don't worry about that. So we started a movement which is called Fight Back, that let's not give it up, let's fight back. And we started giving tools, not only a mobile application, but many other wearable devices to women, and also created a social media mass movement where we have connected this off with all social media platform and Dial 100, and we also have a dedicated call center in Tech Mahindra, which runs 24/7 to provide this rescue services to women, especially to Tech M employees. And we are providing the services to 6 cities in India. Our mobile application was downloaded by more than 100,000 plus people, and more than 80,000 registered users are there. And we are getting everyday calls, and our teams is going to rescue them or to help them. So we have many such incident stories where we have really helped women in such critical situations. This is a device which is manufactured in India itself. So this is the first hardware which is offered, because mostly such devices are imported from China and other countries, but this is an Indian-made device. It's a locket which you can carry, and you can press a button, it works. It informs to your well-wishers and also to our call center. Not only this, we also tell you that what are the pockets in India. Those are not only in India, but in other countries also, where we get such kind of calls. So those are the vulnerable areas, and you should avoid those pockets, or you should be conscious of when you are passing through those pockets. And we share this information on social media platform also. Now the process is like this: whenever you are in trouble, you press a button, or if you have a wearable device, I'll show you some wearable devices here. And that could be a keychain, that could be integrated with your bag, or that could be a locket, or that could be your watch. So anything which you can wear, and not only mobile phone, because normally in such situations you forget and you always clutter to search your mobile in your purse. So you should have a very easy or handy thing which you can use to click on that, and you can inform to your well-wishers. So we utilize all such wearable devices, and he is always there to stop me. So if you have any question, I'm open for the platform. If you have any question, I'll share with you all those details. But just to give you some numbers, normally every day we are getting 100 plus such queries. So just to not to scare you, but this is happening in India itself. And this dedicated call center is running in Hyderabad, Mumbai, Noida, and 6 cities in India, basically all metros, Delhi also. So it's normally it's only for Tech M employees, but we are extending it to other people also, while partnering it with other such companies. Thank you. So I'm done.
Thank you. Thank you for keeping time.